Hello and welcome to our video on hair transplantation. In this video, we'll be discussing what hair transplantation is and how it works. Hair loss is a common problem that affects millions of people worldwide. It can be caused by a variety of factors such as genetics, hormonal changes, medications, and medical conditions. While there are many treatments available for hair loss, one of the most effective and long-lasting solutions is hair transplantation. So, what is hair transplantation? Hair transplantation is a surgical procedure that involves transplanting hair follicles from one area of the scalp to another. The follicles are taken from an area of the scalp that has healthy hair growth, usually the back or sides of the head, and transplanted to an area that is thinning or balding. The procedure is typically done under local anesthesia and can take several hours to complete. The surgeon uses a small instrument to remove individual hair follicles from the donor area, which are then carefully transplanted to the recipient area. The transplanted hair will continue to grow naturally in its new location. There are two main techniques used in hair transplantation: follicular unit transplantation, FUT, and follicular unit extraction, FUE. FUT involves removing a strip of skin from the donor area, which is then dissected into individual follicular units. The units are then transplanted to the recipient area. FUE, on the other hand, involves removing individual follicular units directly from the donor area using a small punch tool. This technique leaves minimal scarring and allows for faster recovery time. After the procedure, it's normal to experience some mild discomfort, swelling, and scabbing in the treated areas. You'll need to take some time off work to rest and allow the transplanted hair to settle in. Full results may take several months to a year to become noticeable. In conclusion, hair transplantation is a surgical procedure that involves transplanting hair follicles from one area of the scalp to another. It's a safe and effective treatment for hair loss that can provide long-lasting results. If you're considering hair transplantation, be sure to do your research and find a qualified and experienced surgeon who can help you achieve your desired results. Thank you for watching this video on hair transplantation. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.